Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on syncing your Xiaomi Watch with your phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Mi Fitness app, so open the app on your phone and tap Device at the bottom of the home page. Now tap Sync at the top of the page. Your watch will now sync with your phone. You will see a pop-up saying synced data successfully once the syncing is complete. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi Watch tips and tricks.